Hey guys, Manaba 16 here. I'll show you what I got for Easter. Starting with, you saw this already. It's this novelty double bubble gumball machine. Which is pretty sweet if you ask me. This is a novelty gumball machine that also does as a piggy bank. In fact, you actually need a coin in order for this to work. What is freaking iPad just balanced? Oh. I bet it's just a, oh well. Works. I'm gonna go get a coin. I'll be right back. Okay, now I got some coins to test it with. This will work with pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Let's test out the penny first. See? I got a purple gumball. Let's see if I can. Got it out! You'll also work with. Now, this won't turn on as a coin. Some double gumball machines may have a coin slot, but they do not turn. I just like these novelties. Now I'm really feeling it. I love combining my dimes. Oh, we'll tell you about video games. They once cost a dime, but now they cost a quarter. Mellow yellow. No, not the Coca-Cola drink. And then quarters. If you want at an 8. I like these gumballs. Pink? I bet someone's drilling for this. A pink-haired girl in a pink shirt and red shorts. Now, yes, it will work with some kind of foreign coins, but the biggest barrier of all is the size area. That's the biggest barrier. Absolutely. If it fits. However, it will not fit. Yeah. Oh. And yes, it will work with unusual shapes. Red light, yellow light, green light. Red light, yellow light, green light. Red light, yellow light, green light. Yeah. However, it won't fit any coins that can't fit that area. That's the biggest barrier. Now, refilling is pretty simple. Now, I know I'm recording this a little bit odd. I just record my iPad landscape mode, but you just twist this knob and you fill the gumballs in. And they also sold refills that you can buy. They come in a milk carton. Now, these gumballs for use with home use machines. This is a home use machine. And now, how to get the profits out. Voila! Now, I did test this out earlier. This is basically like plastic, like they're made of plastic because of its cool, unique design. You know what else I got for Easter? You know what's not in the title? Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker on Blu-ray. Yeah, Blu-ray plus digital copy. Yeah, we live in the age when when Blu-rays also come with a digital copy. You know what's funny? This kid actually saw this movie I just saw it 3 times. First was on Friday on day I was at my grandparents' house. Oh, I was going to film a Mud Friends episode. I was going to do a Mud Friends episode. But I canceled it because of how time-consuming it is. The second time was when I got back to Virginia. And the third time was on Martin Luther King Jr. weekend, because it felt like I had to, you know. Watching it again and again was a bit fun. And heck, I even paid for the food! Tartar sauce. No, sorry. Oh, I hope you have a happy Easter. See you later. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and support me on Patreon. Even though no Mud and Friends episodes are being planned because my camera broke. See ya.